Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on Firefox 72, which was released on January 7th and is the first major browser update in 2020. In this video, I'll cover some of the notable changes in this new browser update. First of all, I'd like to alert you of a critical security vulnerability, which has been patched in the latest 72.0.1 browser update. It's currently being exploited by hackers, so make sure that you update your Firefox browser. Secondly, Mozilla has been continually improving the enhanced tracking protection feature. In Firefox 70, they added the feature to block social media trackers under the standard settings. And in Firefox 72, they have added the feature to block fingerprinters by default. Another change in Firefox 72 is a better experience with push notifications. When certain websites want to send you notifications or updates, you may see a pop-up similar to this one, and you can allow or deny the request. If you accept the request, you will see notification pop-ups similar to this one in the bottom right corner. However, in Firefox 72, you will not see these pop-ups. Instead, you'll see the notification icon wiggle in the address bar to be less disruptive. Finally, Mozilla had introduced the picture-in-picture video mode in Windows 10 in Firefox 71. Now this feature is available for Mac and Linux users. It's a really useful feature that allows you to play the video in a separate window, which can be moved around so you can continue browsing while watching the video. So these were some of the notable changes in Firefox 72. You can check the list of detailed changes in the release notes. You'll find the link in the description section. In terms of the BrowserMark benchmark test results, the overall performance of Firefox remains steady, though comparatively, Google Chrome continues to outperform. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, thanks for watching.